So let's say you want to create a shared folder so that the other person can manage and make changes to the folder as well. Like they can add in files so that you can collaborate together. For that, you can use the sharing option. So I'm already here inside of my Dropbox folder. So let's say I want to share this folder right here called txt. So I'm just going to right click over here and then I'm going to click on share. So in share right over here, what I'm going to do is I can go over here and type in the email address of the person I want to share with. So in this case, they do need a Dropbox account as well for them to be able to edit this out. So I'm going to type in tututube2@outlook.com, just like this, right? So this is the email address. And I'm going to give them editing privileges, as you can see right here, which lets them edit, delete, comment, and add folder to their Dropbox, as you can see right over here, instead of just can view. So I'm just going to go around here and I'm going to say, let's work together, just like this. And I'm going to click on share. So now what happens is that an email will be sent to the other person right over there, and they'll be able to access the content of your folder. And let's see how to exactly do that right over here. So I'm just going to go around here on to the Outlook email right over here. So I'm just going to go around to Outlook. So I'm going to access my inbox right over here. So I'm just going to sign in onto my email address, and I'm going to sign in with my second account right over here. So just keep me sign in. So once I do that, you'll be able to see that here I have received an email right over here on my second account. It says, hi, tututube, my account 1 invite you to edit the folder txt right over here, as you can see right over here. So I can just click on go to folder right over here. And once I click on go to folder, you can see that it prompts me that I can add that folder onto my Dropbox. So I can simply click add to Dropbox right over here. So once I do that, folder has been added to my account. So I can actually go over here on to home, and here it says that I already have the folder right over here. So now once I'm in the folder, I'm just going to upload a file now. So I'm just going to upload a file. So I'm using my second account for this one. So I'm just going to go around and maybe upload something like a document right over here. Let's say, for example, I want to upload this video clip right over here and press open. So it's uploading the video clip, as you can see. So it's uploading it onto the folder from my second account. And now it is there in that folder. So now what happens is that the text in the folder, the other person added in a file. So you can see right over here that file has been synced up with my other account. So same folder. So both of us are working with the same account, as you can see right over here. And that is how you can collaborate between one another by using a shared folder just like this. So that is how you can share a folder with editing privileges with another user using Dropbox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.